teacher software, the abilities the calculator has really allows students to log their data, improve their scientific understanding, and also understand certain complex topics a lot better.
It was really helpful, and it is very interesting as it is not only for math but also for all sciences, physics, chemistry, bio, EVM and other subjects. So it has scientific simulations and other things that we can see, like worksheets we can see even for IAs, for IBDP students. So it's really helpful for the lab perspectives and the simulations.
Get an idea how powerful the TI Inspire is, calculator can be, and also introduce better ways, creative ways to deliver your content and make the students appreciate math and get over their fear.
It was a great session today where the teachers from different schools across Mumbai participated and brainstormed how the technology can be used to enhance the learning in day-to-day classroom. I personally believe that math is a journey, not a destination.
The support services that I have received from TI and Numerical Analytics has been outstanding and exceptional. I know it's a Herculean task for them to not only maintain the calculators, but also to ensure that we are happy with their services.
Texas Instruments have given me a scope to visualize math, have fun with math, play with math. And students nowadays have realized that math is just more beyond the books. I really have to thank Texas Instruments, Numerical Analytics, Eric, Roland, Parvez and Revati for giving me an opportunity to go to US and get an exposure of how technology is used in math classes.